Now introduce how to close the QR code payment. Okay, for example, clicking. Yeah, they have a error code. Yeah, this is we charge. This is Alipay. Okay, how to close it? First up, okay, we need a long-pressed machine ID. Input the screen password. Yeah, the initial screen password is 7319465 Then non-press here and choose admin login. Okay, initial password 6-bit 0. Okay, we first up we open the information. There is a switch quick setup guide. Then back from here QR code tab. We click here. Yeah, this one 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is Chinese words. Yeah, click this one. Okay, then confirm. Yeah, this is 不显示二维码. Yeah, they have 1 2 3 4 6 words. Confirm. Click. Yeah, disappear. Yeah, we close the QR code already. Yeah, if you close the QR code, you want to test low leader input the money. How to test? Yeah, we need okay. Login again. And admin. Okay, we open the payment system. Yeah. Okay, we must be sure this switch be opened. Yeah. Pay by cash. Okay. Pay by cash. Then use okay. Then open the product management. Yeah. Then, for example, you want to test this the first slot. Yeah. Then you set 0 to 0. Okay. Then go back to home page. Choose this item. The machine will running. Otherwise not running. Okay. Thank you.